Dinosaurs, some of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring creatures to have ever walked the Earth. They ruled the planet for millions of years. But then one day, they vanished. So what really happened to them? What caused one of the greatest mass extinctions in history? Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of how the dinosaurs disappeared, the leading scientific theories behind their extinction, and what modern research reveals. So get ready. We're traveling back in time. Roughly 250 million years ago, the Mesozoic era began. This was the age when dinosaurs first appeared and began their rise to dominance. Spanning the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods, they evolved into countless species. Some were the size of chickens, others were as long as buses. They roamed forests, plains, oceans, and even the skies. Creatures like the Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor became kings of their habitats. They lived on Earth for over 165 million years, much longer than humans have so far. But around 66 million years ago, everything changed. A sudden, catastrophic event wiped out approximately 3/4 of all life on Earth, including most dinosaur species. This mass extinction event marked the end of the Cretaceous period. So what exactly caused it? The most widely accepted explanation is the asteroid impact theory. According to scientists, a massive asteroid, estimated to be about 10 kilometers wide, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact released unimaginable energy, creating global shockwaves. Debris was blasted into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and causing a nuclear winter effect. Temperatures dropped rapidly. Plants couldn't survive, leading to the collapse of food chains. Without enough to eat, even the mightiest dinosaurs couldn't survive. This deadly chain reaction caused a rapid and irreversible collapse of ecosystems. Evidence for this impact includes the discovery of the Chicxulub crater, which measures nearly 180 kilometers wide. Scientists have dated this crater to around 66 million years ago, precisely when the dinosaurs vanished. But the asteroid wasn't the only possible cause. Some scientists believe that massive volcanic activity played a role too. In India, an area known as the Deccan Traps experienced intense volcanic eruptions over millions of years. These eruptions released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur gases, altering the climate drastically. Toxic gases led to acid rain, global warming, and a deteriorating atmosphere. It's possible that the asteroid impact and the volcanic eruptions happened close together in time, creating a perfect storm that led to mass extinction. But here's something even more surprising. Not all dinosaurs went extinct. During the mass extinction, about 75% of all species were wiped out, but some small animals managed to survive. Among them were certain mammals, reptiles, and most notably, birds. That's right, birds are actually living dinosaurs. Specifically, they evolved from a group of small, two-legged dinosaurs called theropods, the same group that includes velociraptors and T-Rex. Over time, these creatures developed feathers, became lighter, and eventually took to the skies. So in a way, dinosaurs didn't entirely disappear. They adapted, evolved, and survived. Of course, not everyone agrees with the scientific view. Some conspiracy theorists claim dinosaurs still exist in secret, or that they were wiped out by aliens. Others believe fossils were placed on Earth to test our beliefs, but these ideas lack any scientific evidence. In contrast, radiometric dating, fossil records, and rock layers all support the asteroid and volcano theories. Science doesn't just tell us that the dinosaurs disappeared, it tells us how, and maybe even why. But here's something to think about. How could such powerful, dominant creatures vanish so quickly? It turns out even the strongest species can't survive when the environment changes too drastically or too fast. Dinosaurs were well adapted to their world, but not to a suddenly frozen sky, toxic air, or vanishing food. This is a powerful reminder. Survival isn't always about strength, it's about adaptability. In summary, the dinosaurs most likely went extinct due to a combination of a giant asteroid impact and massive volcanic activity. However, some of them, the ancestors of modern birds, survived and evolved. So next time you see a sparrow, a pigeon, or an eagle, you're actually looking at the distant relatives of ancient dinosaurs. What do you think really happened to the dinosaurs? Could there still be secrets we haven't uncovered? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy science, history, and mysteries like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.